Good evening to all. In this video, we are discussing about problems of chemical kinetics. Problems from chemical kinetics, and these are very important for JEE and NEET and IIT. So, first question is 15% of zero order reaction is completed in 60 minutes. So, calculate the time for 90% of the completion of reactions. For example, so zero order reaction means here x1 by t1 equal to x2 by t2 because of k0 equal to x by t. So x1 by t1 equal to x2 by t2. X1 already he given 15% time, 60 minutes equal to x2 is also given 90. Calculate the time for it is x. So x means t2. So t2 equal to 60 into 90 by 15. 15 ones are and 15 fours are. So 9 fours are 36. That means 360 minutes. 360 minutes is right answer. So here T2 equal to 360 minutes. Next question is half-life of zero order reaction is 100 minutes. Half-life, that means T off. Calculate the time for 80% completion of reaction. So T off means here it is 50. T off means it is 50. So again same formula, x1 by t1 equal to x2 by t2. x1 equal to 50, t1 equal to 100, and next x2 equal to 80, and what is t2? It is question mark. So x1 50 by t1 equal to 100 equal to x2 is 80 by t1, so t2 is x. So simple, 0 get cancelled. So t2 equal to 10 into 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That means 160 minutes. 160 minutes is right answer. Here time 2 is 160 minutes. And next question is half-life of zero order reaction is 250 seconds, and calculate the percentage of reaction completed and remaining after 375 seconds. Simple, again same formula, zero order reaction. Zero order reaction means x1 by t1 equal to x2 by t2. Half life, that means 50%. 50 half life is 50. So x1 is 50 and t1, what is t1? 250 seconds. And x2 we don't know x2 because of calculate the percentage of reaction means it is question mark. And next t2 is 375 seconds. Simple, x1 is 50, t1 is 250, and x2 we don't know, t2 is 375. That means x2 equal to 50 into 375. 375 into 50 by 250. So 50 ones are 50, 10 are 50, sorry, 55 are. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are and 5 fives are, yeah, 75. So 75. So x2 equal to 75%. So calculate the percentage of reaction is 75%. But calculate the percentage of reaction completed and remaining. So percentage of reaction completed, percentage of reaction completed is 75%, but percentage of reaction remaining means a minus x until 100 minus 75, that is 25%, that is 25%. So percentage of completed is 75% and 100 minus 75 equal to 20%, so it is remaining. Percentage of reaction remaining is 25%. 25% is remaining and 75% is completed. So it is from zero order reaction question. Next question is 10% of first order reaction completed in 20 minutes and calculate the time for 19% completion of the reaction. So 10% and 19%. So here difference, we are taking difference 10% and 19%. That means 10%, 19%. So first order reaction means K1 equal to 2.303 by T1 log A by A minus x. Here also said 2.303 by T2 log A by A minus x. So A equal to 100 and time equal to 20 minutes, and in this 2.303 by 10 log 20 log 100 and 100 minus x is 10, that means 90. So 10 get cancelled, 10 get cancelled, and 2.303 by T2 log 100 minus 19 is 81. 100 minus 18 equal to 91. So 10 by 9 means here 81 and 100. So 10 tens are 100 and 9 nines are 81. So it converted into 10 square by 9 square. That means simple 10 square and 9 square. So very easy. So log 2.303 get cancelled, and log 10 by 9 and log 10 by 9 get cancelled, right? So 1 by 20 equal to 2 by T2. 2 by T2. 1 by 20 equal to 2 by T2. So T2 equal to 20 into 2. 20 into 2, that is 40. So 90% completion of the reaction. Here time is 40 minutes. 40 minutes is right answer. And next question also same related question. So solution again same, 20% of first order reaction completed in 25 minutes and calculate the again time for 36% completion of reaction. So difference is 20% and 36%. 20% and 36%. It is x equal to 20% and x equal to 36%, and 2.303 by T1 log, that is our first order reaction, and A by A minus x, again 2.303 by T2 log A by A minus x. So A equal to 100 means 2.303 by T1 log 100 by 100 minus x means 80. 100 minus 20. So 2.303 by T2 log 100 by 100 minus 36 means that is 64. So 10 tens are ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. సో 100 మీన్స్ 10 స్క్వేర్, 10 స్క్వేర్ 64 means 8 square. So 10 by 8 whole to the power of 2 square. So 10 square means 100, 8 square means 64. So 2.303 and 2.303 get cancelled, and log 10 by 8 log 10 by 8 get cancelled. Remaining are 2 by t2. So here also 1 by t1. 1 by t1 equal to 2 by t2. 2 by t2. t1. Sorry, t1 25 minutes. Here t1 is 25 minutes. So t1 is 25. So simple. t2 equal to 25 into 2, that is 50 minutes. That is 50 minutes. So calculate the time for 36% of completion of reactions. Here for the 36% completion of the reaction, it will take 50 minutes. 50 minutes. It is from first order reaction. Next question is half-life of first order reaction is 50 minutes. That means t half equal to 50 minutes. And calculate this the time for 75% completion of reaction. In first order reaction, for the 75% of completion reaction equal to 2t off. In first order reaction, for the 75% of completion, 75% of completion of the reaction in first order reaction. In first order reaction, 75% of completion of reaction equal to 2t off. Already he given t of equal to 50 minutes. 50 minutes. So 2t off means 2 into 50. Simple, very easy. 100 minutes. For the 75% is completion of the reaction equal to how many half-life means 2 half-lives. 2t off for the completion of 75% reaction. So 2 into, already he given half-life 50 minutes. 2 into 50 equal to 100 minutes is right answer. Next question is 75% of first order reaction is 150 minutes, and calculate the time for 93.75% completion of the reaction. It is very interesting, very easy also. Already I said 75%. For completion of the 75% reaction in first order reaction equal to 2 t off. Already he given 150 minutes t off. So 75 completion of the 75 reaction, 75% completion of the reaction. So 75% of completion of reaction equal to 2t off equal to 150 minutes. 150 minutes. So t off equal to 150 by 2. So 2 ones are 275 there. So here t off equal to 75. Okay, nice. But calculate the time for 93.75% completion of the reaction. So for this completion of the 75% equal to 2t off means here completion of the 93.75% means 93.7% completion of the reaction equal to 4t off. 4t off. ఇవన్నీ రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే అందులో మీకు ఇస్తారు, మీ నోట్స్లో కానీ మీ బుక్లో కానీ చూసుకోవచ్చు. 75% రియాక్షన్కి 2t ఆఫ్ తీసుకుంటాం, 93.75%కి 4t ఆఫ్, ఇవన్నీ అందులో ఉంటాయి మీకు. నెక్స్ట్ 93.75% ఈక్వల్ టు 4t ఆఫ్. సో 4 ఆల్రెడీ వి గాట్ t ఆఫ్ 4 into 75. That means 300 minutes. 300 minutes is right answer. So for completion of 75 reaction equal to 2t off, 2t off equal to 150 minutes. So then t off equal to 150 by 2. 150 by 2 means 75. So we got already t off. So for the completion of the 93.75% equal to 4t off. So 4 into 75, that is 300 minutes. Next question is half-life of second order reaction is T1, and calculate the percentage of reaction completed and remaining in 3T1. That is very important. Half life means 50 in second order reaction, and it is T1. Time is T1, and calculate the percentage of reaction completed and remaining in 3T1. Time here T. So simple. Second order reaction means X by T into A minus X A. Here it is T1. It is for the 50% of reaction. Here it is X percentage. So it is second order reaction formula 50%. Here X equal to 50. So 50 by time equal to T1 and A equal to 100. 100 minus X. X equal to 50 means 100 minus 50 means 50. A equal to 100 obviously. Equal to. For calculate the percentage of reaction means it is X by here time equal to 3T1. 3T1 into A minus X means 100 minus X. 100 minus X into 100. A means here initial concentration, that is 100. So 50 get cancelled, and next 100 and 100 get cancelled, and T1 get cancelled. So X equal to 3 into 100 minus X. So X equal to 3 into 100, 300 minus 3 into X, 3X. So 300 equal to X plus 3X అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. So next 4X equal to 300. 4X equal to 300 and X equal to 300 by 4. X equal to 300 by 4. దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా నేను 3 by 4 into 100. That means 3 by 4%. 3 by 4% means it is 75%. So percentage of reaction completed. So percentage of reaction completed. Percentage of reaction completed is 3 by 4%. 3 by 4% means 75%. 75%. So percentage of remaining means remaining percent. Remaining means obviously 100 minus 75, that is 25%. And 1 by 4% or 25%. So half life of second order reaction is T1, and calculate the percentage of reaction completed in remaining in 3T1. So here it is half life. Half life means 50. So 50 by T is T1, and 100 minus X equal to 50, and here A equal to 100 initial concentration. So X by 3T1 into 100 minus X into 100. So 50 get cancelled, and 100 also 100 get cancelled, and T1 get cancelled. So remainings are X equal to 300 minus 3X. 300 minus 3X. So 300 equal to E minus 3X it of same plus 3X అవుతుంది. సో అప్పుడేమవుతుంది 300 ఈక్వల్ టు 4X అవుతుంది. సో 4X ఈక్వల్ టు 300 అండ్ X ఈక్వల్ టు 300 by 4. దీన్ని ఈ విధంగా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ 3 by 4 into 100. దట్ మీన్స్ 3 by 4 100. 3 by 4 percent. So percentage of reaction completed is 3 by 4% or 75%. And percentage of remaining means that is 1 by 4% or 25%. So these are very important questions for JEE and NEET and IIT from chemical kinetics. మీకు నచ్చితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ and share and subscribe it. And thank you so much to all.